Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. In this video, we are going to look at 10 possible questions that you might be asked in daily conversation. ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው 10 ልትጠየቁ የምትችሏቸው ጥያቄዎችን እንመለከታለን። ከዚህም በተጨማሪ ለነዛ 10 ጥያቄዎች መልስ ሊሆኑ የሚችሉም ሁለት መልሶችን እናያለን ማለት ነው። So stay with me. ከኔ ጋር ቆይሽ እስከ መጨረሻው ድረስ በአማርኛም ስለምነግራችሁ። All right. The first question that you might be asked in your daily conversation is, what did you have for breakfast this morning? Repeat after me. What did you have for breakfast this morning? Let me repeat it once more. What did you have for breakfast this morning? በአማርኛ ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? ዛሬ ቁርስህን ወይንም ቁርስሽን ምንድነው የበላኸው ወይንም የበላሽው ነው። So it's very simple. እዚህ ጋር አንዳንዶቻችሁ ኢት ኮማ መብላት ማለት ኢት ማለት ነው። ጥያቄው ላይ እንደገና ኢት የምትባል ቃል የለችም። What did you have? have ነው ያላችሁ እንደ ዋና ግስ። ስለዚህ ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ። ያ ትክክል ናችሁ። ነገር ግን in English the verb have can be used to mean eat, or sometimes we can use have to mean drink. አንዳንድ ጊዜ በእንግሊዝኛ have የምትለዋ ቃል ወይንም ግስ መብላት ለማለት እንጠቀምባታለን፣ ወይንም ደግሞ አልፎ አልፎ መጠጣትም ለማለት እንጠቀምባታለን። have የምትለዋ ግስ የግድ ባለቤትነትን ብቻ አታመለክትም። ምንን ታመለክታለች? መብላት ወይንም መጠጣት የሚለውንም ታመለክትልናለች። So, if someone asks you, what did you have for breakfast this morning? You can say, or you can answer, I had pizza for breakfast this morning. ለምሳሌ ፒዛ ከሆነ ቁርሳችሁን የበላችሁት ምን ትላላችሁ? I had pizza for breakfast this morning. In addition, let's assume ገንፎ ነው የበላችሁት እንበል። ዛሬ ጠዋት ቁርሳችሁን ገንፎ ነው የበላችሁት እንበል። ገንፎ ከሆነ የበላችሁት you can say I had porridge for breakfast this morning. Okay? So P-O-R-R-I-D-G-E ገንፎ ማለት ነው። ሲነበብ ምንድነው? porridge. porridge ብላችሁ ታነባላችሁ። ስለዚህ you can say I had porridge for breakfast this morning. All right. Shall we proceed to the second question? Are you ready to see the second question? If you are ready, let's see the second question. The second question that you might be asked in your daily conversation is, who in your life brings you the most joy? Repeat after me. Who in your life brings you the most joy? What does it mean in Amharic? በአማርኛ ምን ማለት ነው? በህይወትህ ወይንም በህይወትሽ ከፍተኛ ደስታን የሚሰጥሽ ወይንም የሚሰጥህ ሰው ማን ነው? Okay. What can be the possible answer? Let's assume my father brings me the most joy in my life. በህይወቴ ከፍተኛ ደስታን የሚሰጠኝ ሰው አባቴ ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? My father brings me the most joy in my life. If you believe your mother brings you the most joy in your life, you can say, my mother brings me the most joy in my life. If you believe your wife brings you the most joy in your life, you can say, my wife brings me the most joy in my life. ሚስታችሁ ከፍተኛ ደስታን የምትሰጣችሁ ከሆነ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? My wife brings me the most joy in my life. All right. Now let's see the third question. The third question is, where do you spend most of your free time? Repeat after me. Where do you spend most of your free time? አብዛኛውን የእረፍት ጊዜህን ወይንም የእረፍት ጊዜሽን የት ነው የምታሳልፈው ወይንም የምታሳልፊው ነው? Okay, let me read the question once more. Where do you spend most of your free time? Okay, now let's see the possible answers. Let's assume I spend most of my free time at cafe. አብዛኛውን የእረፍት ጊዜን የሚያሳልፈው በካፌ ነው እንበል። ከዛ where do you spend most of your free time ብባል ምን እላለሁ? I spend most of my free time at cafe. In addition, let's imagine I spend most of my free time at home. አብዛኛውን የእረፍት ጊዜን ቤት ውስጥ ነው የማሳልፈው ብለን እናስብ። ቤቴ ምን እላለሁኝ? I spend most of my free time at home እላለሁ ማለት ነው። So that is the third possible question that you might be asked in your daily conversation. Now let's see the fourth possible question that you might be asked in your daily conversation. What is that? Who was your best friend in elementary school? Repeat after me. Who was your best friend in elementary school? አንደኛ ደረጃ ተማሪ እንደነበራችሁ በጣም ቤስት ፍሬንዳችሁ ማን ነበረ ነው? Okay? I can say, ለምሳሌ እኔም ብትጠይቁኝ ይሄን ጥያቄ ምን ማለት እችላለሁ? ሜላት was my best friend in elementary school. And now let's see the second possible answer. The second possible answer can be Dawit was my best friend in elementary school. All right, now let me know who your best friend was in elementary school in the comment section below. All right, now let's proceed to the fifth question. The fifth question is, what is your favorite month? Repeat after me. What is your favorite month? አሁን ይህችን ቃል አንዳንዶቻችን ምን ብለን እናነባታለን? ፋቮራይት እንላለን። That is not correct. ፌቮራይት እንላለን። That is not correct. ምን ብለን ነው የምናነባት? favorite ብላችሁ ነው የምታነቧት። እስኪ በሏት ከኔ በኋላ favorite favorite favorite. Okay, so what is your favorite month? በጣም የምትወደው ወይንም የምትወጂው ወይንም የምትወዱት ወር ማን ነው ነው? Okay? All right. You can say September is my favorite month. Or you can say March is my favorite month. Do you understand me? If you understand me, don't forget to smash the like button. If you don't understand me, don't forget to write your question down in the comment section below. All right, now it's time to say the sixth question. The sixth question is, how long will you stay here? Repeat after me. How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? ምን ያክል ጊዜ እዚህ ትቆያለህ ወይንም ትቆያለሽ ወይንም ትቆያላችሁ ነው። Okay. What are the possible answers of this question? Number 1. I will stay here for 3 months. Okay? For 3 months is duration of time. Look guys, if you want to answer how long questions, it is advisable to use 4 plus duration of time. አንድ ሰው how long ብሎ ከጠየቃችሁ መልሳችሁ ላይ 4 plus duration of time መጠቆም ወይም መናገር ወይንም ማካተት አለባችሁ። ስለዚህ አንድ ሰው how long will you stay here ካላችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? ለምሳሌ 3 ወር የምትቆዩ ከሆነ I will stay here for 3 months. አንድ ሳምንት የምትቆዩ ከሆነ I will stay here for a week. For a week. 4 plus duration of time. For 3 months. 4 plus duration of time. So, the final point here is always if you are asked how long question, don't forget to use 4 plus duration of time. Alright, now let's see the 7th question. The 7th question that you might be asked in your daily conversation can be, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? ስለምንድነው እያወራህ ያለኸው ወይንም ስለምንድነው እያወራሽ ያለሽው ነው። So, what are the possible answers? Number 1. I am talking about English grammar. ስለ እንግሊዘኛ ሰዋሰው እያወራችሁ ከሆነ ምን ትላላችሁ? I am talking about English grammar. ስለ ቤተሰባችሁ እያወራችሁ ከሆነ I am talking about my family. I am talking about my family. So, I am talking about plus the issue that you are talking about. ከአባውት በኋላ የምትናገሩት ምንድነው? የምታወሩት ርዕሰ ጉዳይን መናገር አለባችሁ ነው። All right. Now it's time to say the 8th question. What is the 8th question? Where do you live? Where do you live? I think it is the simplest question, isn't it? Where do you live? በአማርኛ ምን ማለት ነው? የት ነው የምትኖረው ወይንም የት ነው የምትኖሪው ነው። All right. You can say I live in Japan. Let's assume you live in Japan. ጃፓን ነው የምትኖሩት እንበል። ምን ትላላችሁ? I live in Japan. Where do you live? I live in Ethiopia. Where do you live? I live in Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in Dubai. Okay? እያላችሁ ተመልሳላችሁ ነው። ስለዚህ where do you live ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? የት ነው የምትኖረው ወይንም የምትኖሪው ማለት ነው። Okay, now let's see the 9th question. The 9th question is also simple in my point of view. The 9th question is, what is your father's name? What is your father's name? የአባትህ ስም ወይንም የአባትሽ ስም ማነው ነው። አሁን እዚች ጋር የምንሳሳታት ነገር አለች። What is your father's name ስንባል ምን እንላለን? My father name is Berta. This is wrong. Why? Why this answer is wrong? Because after father there must be apostrophe s. So, my father name is Berta is incorrect. However, my father's name is Berta is correct. So, what is your father's name? My father's name is Berta. What is your father's name? My father's name is Adam. Okay? ምንጊዜም የአባታችሁ ወይንም የእናታችሁ ስም ማነው ስትባሉ ከፋዘር ወይም ከማዘር ወይም ከብራዘር ወይም ከሲስተር ቀጥሎ አፓስትራፍ ኤስን መጠቀም እንዳትረሱ ነው። Alright, now let's see the last question. The last question that we are going to see today is, what is your mother's name? Repeat after me. What is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? Alright, the possible answer, for instance, you can say, my mother's name is Shito. Okay? የኔ እናቴ ስም ማን ይባላል? ሽቶ ይባላል። Or let's assume your mother's name is Clara. So you can say, my mother's name is Clara. Don't forget, guys, after mother there must be apostrophe S. Okay? So always if you are asked what is your father's name or what is your mother's name, in your answers after mother or father there must be apostrophe S. That is all from me for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.